So they have audio guides that you can always do too. If you ever come here, just make sure you stop at one of these stations and take a picture of it, and it'll give you audio, both in English and in Spanish. So if you remember our first video, we had a big old tapestry and then a big portrait. It's crazy, huh? So this is called the Triumphant of the Eucharist. So in the next room, John Ringling purchased 4 of the canvases, now in Gallery 2, which we're about to go into, from the Duke of Westminster in 1926. Wow. Sorry for the baby. Wow. Wow. So this is from the late Gothic and Renaissance art in Northern Europe. I don't know how good the quality of the color is coming through, but I love the color of this wall. Look at the detail. I feel like we have to whisper.
Gallery 3, we're going to Gallery 4.
Okay. But the woodwork is awesome. The last shot of this, we're going into Gallery 4. We're into Italy. Art in Italy, 1350 to 1550. Wow. This is crazy. I told Amber she should come just so she can see all the art. This is art for the home in Renaissance Italy, 1400 to 1550. That looks like a comfortable couch. So this is the battle or the siege of Naples, and that's where we lived. We lived there for 3 years. Is that Christopher Columbus? Kind of looks like it.
Tell us.
Holy crap.
What?
This is the glass.
Really? He said it's on glass.
Reverse painting on glass.
The gold shines through. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at Brian's face. Wow, he says.
It's better than the Louvre, do you think?
I don't know, we've never been there.
I took her to Paris, but she didn't.
Let's see.
It's all Euro Disney.
I know. We were so into that. All right. Whoa. Going to Gallery 6. So, Renaissance art in Tuscany, 1500 to 1540. I like the wallpaper. The wallpaper is kind of like Haunted Mansion, but like classier. I like it a lot. And I told Brian they have benches because you're supposed to sit here and appreciate the art instead of running right through it and be like, oh, that's cool. Like, learn about it, which is so cool. And I like seeing that. And I got Brian more into that, and I got him into musicals, got him into Disney. So
we don't need to sing.
Maybe it'll be on the TikTok if I sing. Uh-oh, Brian's head's in the way.
You gotta thank God for the Renaissance. Wait till you go outside. So we're now in Gallery 7. It is French artists in Rome, 1600 to 1700. It's crazy. Oh, look at that one. This is Baroque art in Italy, 1700 to 1700. I think so. There's audio guides here as well. That one's cool. I like the red.
This is pink, like magenta.
Oh. And then I'm going into Gallery 9. This is private patronage in Italy, 1600 to 1700. Oh, some of these are on loan? Oh, wow. We should go back. I really like this one.
So, Brian, this is, okay. So,
I think so. So just be clear that these paintings that they have right here, they were sent to Naples. So underneath, I was about to ask somebody that works here. This is from bequest of John Ringling, so he actually asked for these paintings. Wow. This is really neat. Northern artists of Rome, 1600 to 1700. Wow. And then you have these over here. It's really cool. I'm not sure what period this is from.
These are all from different periods. They're just highlights.
Oh, collection highlights. Sorry.
Reinstalling its galleries. Many works in the collection are not beyond view. This gallery presents some collection highlights, visitor favorites, and an important new acquisition during this interim period.
Got it.
So it takes 3 to 4 years for this project.
Wow.
Around when I started it.
Oh, is that Leonardo? No, it's Nicholas Renier, St. Matthew and the Angel. So, anyway, let's go outside. And look outside. This is really cool. They have a statue here. I think they had, there's a sign something about how these are all like the Greek and Roman gods depicted.
Oh, up top.
Yeah. When I came here before, they had a concert or something. This place is pretty peaceful. This is what I imagine Rome being.
Kind of like Pompeii.
Yeah.
Or like people from the town could come here and like hang out.
Yeah. Cause like, look, could you imagine sitting out here enjoying? It's really neat. I like this, Amber. We should buy it for real.
Make that into a pool. So what's that?
So we found a wing that we didn't even know was here. We saw a couple people walking out, and it's called Reclaiming Home, Contemporary Seminole Art. Wow. Wow. This one's pretty cool. They have one from like Vietnam. This is really neat. They have clothing.
Oh, for like it's a funeral, but
Oh wow.
this I think so. Let's read first before we say. Performing ceremonial tasks in this clothing is what they're showing in the video.
Oh, they're just singing the song about.
So I need to on this one.
So we just got done with the arts. Were you intrigued? Were you inspired?
It was really cool to watch like the different like eras, but they were all in like Italy, so it was different art than here in the US, but it was so cool to look at. We only did half of it, so
Yeah.
we'll have to come back into the other half.
Yeah, do a little bit more research before we come.